Hello everyone, in this video, we'll be solving an anti-magic square problem where we need to determine the missing number m in a 4x4 grid while ensuring that all rows, columns, and diagonals sum up to consecutive numbers in some order. Let's now break this problem step by step. We are given a 4x4 grid where the numbers range from 1 to 16. Our objective is to first, to find the missing number m. Second, identify which numbers are missing. Third, determine the correct placement of missing numbers. Lastly, ensure that the sums of rows, columns, and diagonals from a set of consecutive values. From this, we deduce that the missing numbers are. Before placing the missing numbers, we analyze the sum conditions. Through an initial dry run, we tested placements without assumptions, which led us to establish following rules. First rule is that 15 and 16 should not be in the same row, column, or diagonal. Second, numbers should not be repeated across the grid. Last rule is that we need each row, column, and diagonal must sum between 30 and 39. Now, applying the rule to find m where it should be placed. 15 and 16 cannot be in first row, third column or first row, fourth column or third row, fourth column, as this would violate third rule. First row, second column cannot take a number lower than 8, or it would result in a sum below 80. The first row, second column cannot take a number lower than 8, or it would result in a sum below 30. After carefully testing placement, we deduce that m must be 15 to satisfy all conditions. After verifying with the trial and error and applying the rules, ensuring that all sums remain within the expected range, so now we conclude that m is equals to 15. And that's how we solve this anti-magic square puzzle by identifying missing numbers, setting rules, and logically testing placements. We successfully determined that m is equals